In a season filled with rush and routine, one moto taxi rider reminds us that kindness, no matter how small, can still steal the spotlight. Let's get to know him in this report by Mobile Journal, Jas Paredes.
A moto taxi rider is earning praise online after one of his passengers shared their heartwarming encounter. Shortly after picking her up, the passenger was surprised when the rider pulled out a small container filled with raffle tickets. She ended up receiving free candy, a biscuit, and a sticker, simple tokens that for her were enough to uplift an ordinary day. Many netizens commended the rider for his thoughtful gesture, touched by the small act of kindness. The rider is Christopher, a 35-year-old from Las Piñas who has been working as a moto taxi rider for 2 years.
Ilang days ko na rin po ginagawa po, ma'am. Ngayon lang po na future sa TikTok. Ayun po. Oo, nabasa ko yung mga comment doon, nakakaiyak talaga.
The idea began as an initiative from the app itself, which encouraged riders to give candy to passengers. But Christopher thought of taking it further by adding more prizes such as biscuits and even a personal sticker as his way of spreading joy and showing gratitude this Christmas season.
Sitwasyon namin mga empty taxi rider, hirap na hirap talaga kami dahil sa kinikita namin sa mga gastusin sa mga motor, gastusin sa pang-araw-araw namin. Ganun talaga. Pero magbibigay pa rin ako sa saya pa rin sa mga passenger natin na sumasakay sa akin yan. So good vibes lang.
He admits that earnings for moto taxi riders have been challenging lately, especially given the long hours they spend on the road. Yet despite the financial strain, the gifts he gives come from his own pocket.
Sa mga nagtitip sa akin, ayun yung pinanggagastos ko po, yung binibigay sa kanila. Kami na rin po yung bumibili, tulad ng ng head cap, kami po yung bumibili ng head cap para ipamahagi din sa mga passenger namin.
After his video went viral, many others stepped forward to share their own positive experience with Christopher. Netizens also quickly found his personal page, The Viewer's Motovlog, where he posts his daily rides and adventures.
Tagal na rin po, mga 5 years di lang nagbo-boom po eh. Pili ko ka talaga kasi magmotor po, ma'am eh. Parang puso ko talaga magmotor. Ayan. So bawat biyahe nakikita ko yung mga iba-ibang mga lugar. Kaya The Viewers Motovlog po eh.
For Christopher, being a rider serves two purposes, fulfilling his passion for riding and providing a source of income. As of now, riding is his sole livelihood. It's his way to support his family as the eldest among his siblings. Meanwhile, he thanks supporters and reminds fellow moto taxi riders.
Sa mga nakakita sa mga aking video, yan. So maraming salamat po dahil na-appreciate niyo yung aking mga ginawa. Ayan. Ibang NC taxi rider yan tulad ko bilang angkas. Yan. Tuloy lang para sa pamilya natin. Ayan. Na sinusuportahan natin. Yan. So ingat palagi at ride safe na lang sa bawat daan.
Deputy Jas Paredes, we are One News.